Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will be taking on issue number 1, that is about ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relation of organisms to one another and to their physical surrounding, or self-explanatory, our ecosystem. Our nation, Malaysia, is facing a variety of ecological problems on the part of business and industry that is contributing to serious health problems for many people. People often say that the answer is one of achieving a balance between the amount of money we spend to solve the problem and the number of lives that we would save by that expenditure. For example, palm oil that we gain from the palm tree.
Moving on, it is true that palm oil production has caused a lot of negative effects to the country, including deforestation. And from deforestation itself, the problem gets even worse, where the burning of forests will actually destroy the home of our flora and fauna, and these are the most worried for the animals that are facing extinction, such as Malayan tapir, Malayan tiger, and even orangutan. But we only see the dark side of it to talk about the advantages, or I mean the opposite. This will actually be the first signal of serious environmental issue, as there is no other better way to locate or to track the health of our ecosystem. This resulting to more conserving and reserving activity, such as the establishment of the wildlife sanctuary, and this will usually be open for the visitors to come and can be beneficial to the economy of a country, as it can be classified as part of ecotourism. And from here we can justify the balance between the harms and benefits of palm oil production. Thank you.
So, in the defense of palm trees, to me, I think palm trees are good enough and justifiable enough to be continued to be produced in such a way. Why? Because we have already achieved balance with the way that we plant palm trees. Jungles are destroyed, but not to erect building or housing areas, which in turn creates more and more CO2 and the higher emission of greenhouse gases. But instead, palm trees are planted. Besides less destruction to the earth, we can also gain their palm oil from the palm fruits. So I think, in my opinion, that is good enough reason for me to believe that there is balance that already achieved between the way we harvest and plant palm trees.
For my opinion, the plantation of palm tree will increase the carbon dioxide emission. It because from the deforestation, the soil store the carbon dioxide. But if we cutting the tree from tropical forest, it will release more carbon dioxide. But if we plant the palm tree, it will consume more carbon dioxide and release more oxygen than tropical forest, according by a pamphlet, Indonesia Palm Oil Commission. So palm oil can back up the release of carbon dioxide, and also the plantation of palm oil will increase the job in the country, since it required more people to handle the palm tree. It will decrease poverty among the people.
In conclusion, ecology is really important in our life because it can enrich and prosper our world, as it is also vital for human wellness and needs. Ecology also offers contemporary understanding and wisdom of the linkage between human and the mother nature, which is essential for food manufacturing, preserving unpolluted fresh water, and supporting biodiversity in switching climate. As my fellow friend has described, palm oil is also a need for all human beings. Palm oil is now really in danger as deforestation and many environmental damage has happened in today's world. Logging of palm oil make the forest to release more carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, which can speed up global warming. Hence, we need to protect our rainforests to ensure our living in this world. We should not sell our nature for profit, because we need the nature to keep us alive, as money will not be cure to our sickness later. That's all from us. Thank you.